You're listening to the Culips English podcast. To download the study guide for this episode, which includes the transcript, detailed vocabulary explanations, real-world examples, and a quiz, visit our website, culips.com. CULIPS.com. Hey everybody, my name is Andrew.
And my name is Morag.
And you're listening to Culips. Hey Morag, how are you?
Hey Andrew, I'm doing pretty well. I'm a bit excited. I should be getting a call for a new pair of glasses that's ready today.
A new pair of glasses.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Speak of the devil, Morag, because the topic for today's Simplified Speech episode is vision and eye health. So this news kind of ties right into that, getting new glasses. How weird.
Yeah.
Anyway, Morag, before we start talking about eye health, I want to let all of our listeners know that there is a study guide for this episode available on our website, culips.com. So if you would like to study along with the study guide, all you got to do is go to culips.com and give it a download. All right, Morag, let's get started. And I'm curious, how long have you worn glasses for?
I've worn glasses for almost 15 years, which is kind of terrifying because I started wearing them when I was almost 15. So, okay, I'm just, having an age thing over here.
Half your life.
Oh, yeah, half my life.
Wow. So what do you need to wear glasses for? Is it just for reading or for everything?
Well, I'm nearsighted.
Okay.
So mostly I need them to see distance. However, I also have some fun things called astigmatism in both my eyes.
Okay.
Which means that my eyeballs are funny shapes.
Huh.
Yeah. So a lot of what my glasses do are correct for those weird shaped eyeballs. And lenses for astigmatism feel kind of funny. Like when you are used to wearing them and you take them off, or when you're not used to wearing them and put them on, it kind of feels like your eyeballs are twisting. So
that's not good.
It's weird. It's not terribly pleasant, not bad, but the point is that while my prescription isn't very strong, I can see quite well. It's weird to not wear them all the time. So I just always have my glasses on.
Okay, always have your glasses on.
Mm-hmm. I need them for driving, basically.
Right. Is it a requirement on your license that you need to wear glasses when driving?
No, but if I don't wear them, I can't read street signs. And that's a hindrance.
So what kind of new glasses did you order?
I went a little bit Harry Potter, a little bit John Lennon.
Okay.
You know,
got some
round.
Circle frames, round ones.
Yep. I got titanium glasses. It's
Whoa.
amazing. They're so light and comfortable to wear. I'm really looking forward to them.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm not trying to brag at all. This is not me boasting. I'm actually saying this honestly, but I'm jealous of people that get to wear glasses because my vision is great and I don't need them.
I don't know, Andrew. Be careful what you wish for. I remember when I was 12, I really wanted glasses and braces for some reason. And then I got them at the same time, and that was not a cute look. So very awkward. So you never know. You'll probably have to wear glasses at some point.
Well, all of my immediate family members, my mom, dad, brother, and sister, they all wear glasses. So if vision is genetically determined, then it looks like at some point I'll probably have to wear glasses. But so far, so good. No problems. I'm very lucky. But the reason I'm jealous is that, you know, we have this preconceived notion that people that wear glasses are bookworms or geeks or scholars, academics, really kind of smart people, you know? And I work at a university. I teach there. I want to look like an academic. I want to look like a scholar. So I think adding glasses to my look would help me achieve that. But yeah, don't need them, so I'm not going to wear them for no reason.
Well, there are actually a strangely large amount of people that wear glasses for vanity. You can just wear them with non-prescription lenses.
Yeah, I've actually considered doing that, but I always... And I did once buy a pair like that, but I always felt really silly wearing them, like I was an imposter.
Oh, I would definitely make fun of you. Yeah. Yeah.
What about sunglasses? Are you a sunglass wearer?
Oh, man. Actually, this past summer, I bought prescription sunglasses for the first time. And it's amazing.
Nice.
Because before, I always had to pick between one type of limited vision or difficult vision. So either the sun was really strong in my eyes, but I could see clearly, or everything was kind of blurry, but at least the sun was taken care of. It was a catch-22. It was no good. But this time, I finally bought them. Just amazing. But before that, no, not so much. How about you? Do you wear sunglasses a lot?
Yeah, I have good vision, but my eyes are really sensitive. So when I go outside, I find myself squinting a lot, you know, really making my eyes small, and this, I think, is causing wrinkles on my forehead. So
I have the same thing. It's terrible.
So I would rather wear sunglasses than have a wrinkly forehead. So yeah, on sunny days and even on many non-sunny days, cloudy days, but still bright days, I'll find myself wearing sunglasses.
Those are the sneaky ones. The cloudy days, the bright gray. I know what you mean, though, with the squinting. It also it's bad for the muscles. It kind of hurts after a while.
Yeah, it's
not
good. Not good at all.
Not good.
I agree.
Yeah.
Morag, one last question for you here before we wrap it up. Have you ever considered getting laser eye surgery? So like a corrective surgery with a laser for your eyes to fix your vision so you never have to wear glasses again?
Well, here is where it becomes clear that me making fun of you for potentially wearing vanity glasses is actually quite hypocritical.
Okay.
because I love wearing glasses because they look cool.
Right.
Or I think they look cool. So, no, I've never wanted to get my vision corrected because I like being able to change the character of my face whenever I feel like it with new glasses.
Yes.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I can see the attraction to that, and I think that's why I'm a little bit jealous, but hey, it's okay. It's something I can live with, I think.
Maybe it'll be an interesting little bonus of getting older for you. At like 65, you'll be like, woohoo, glasses.
Only time will tell. Hey, Morag, we'll leave it at that for today. But just before we take off here, I want to remind everyone that the study guide is available on our website, qlips.com, and it includes lots of great things like a transcript, detailed vocabulary explanations, example sentences, a quiz, and even some discussion questions. So definitely visit our website and give it a download. As well, we are all over the place on social media. So if you use services like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, just search for QLips English Podcast and give us a follow. And finally, we have an email address. It is contact@qlips.com. So if you would like to get in touch, just send us an email, and we would love it if you do, because we really enjoy hearing from you. That is it for now. We will be back soon with another episode, and we'll talk to you then. Bye, everybody.
Goodbye.